morning. The worries are not disappearing anytime soon, but after a really terrible start to the week, we are set for a mildly positive to flattish opening. Asian markets are pretty mixed. In fact, Japanese, Korean, and Australian stocks are trading off their worst levels. US stocks stumbled after a congressional panel formally admitted to the failure of stitching a deal to slash the nation's soaring deficit. But S&P and Moody's say they won't lower US credit ratings. President Obama says he will veto any measure designed to override automatic budget cuts. So there is chance of slight recovery in sentiment after 8 successive sessions of losses. A sustained bounce back will remain elusive as the Indian economy is facing its own set of problems. The rupee is on a slippery slope, fiscal deficit is likely to rise, inflation remains sticky, and rates are unlikely to fall anytime soon. In addition, policy moves have been hard to come by. All eyes are on the winter session of the parliament to see if the centre can muster some courage and pass a few important bills. FIs were net sellers of Rs 7.43 billion in the cash segment on Monday according to the NSE data. The domestic institutional institutions were net buyers of Rs 5.95 billion on the same day. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 276.3 million in the F&O segment on Monday as per the NSE data. FIs were net sellers of Rs 7.55 billion in the cash segment on Friday according to the SEBI website. Moving on to recommendations, the technical call for the day is we advise buying Dabur above Rs 100 with a stop loss of Rs 98 and for the target price of Rs 104. Our derivative strategy for the day is Long Jindal saw November futures between Rs 127 to Rs 128 for the target price of Rs 132 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 124.5. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.